Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. Guys, I'm really freaking excited about this one. This is probably one of the top videos I've made on the channel. If you guys don't know me, my name is Ali. This is Daily E-commerce, where we talk about e-commerce and dropshipping every single day. I'm someone who's generated over 7 figures online selling physical and digital e-com products, and I try to share some of what I've learned building my businesses over here every single day. So today I have found an AI tool where you can just simply upload an AliExpress prompt, an AliExpress image, all right, write a prompt, and it will go ahead and generate an animated video just like this, all right? I have been searching for a tool like this for I can't even tell you how long, all right? And I want to basically show you guys in this video. If you stay till the end, you're going to understand exactly how you can take simple AliExpress images and make it into like a GIF or a video or something like this. Can you imagine how? I don't know how it got it so right. I have no freaking idea. This is a process, but and you know what the best part is? Guys, can I tell you what the best part is? It's free. It's freaking free. I don't know how long it's going to be free. I don't know. I want you guys to jump on and get the most amount that you can out of this, and all I expect in return, just all I expect, is a like and a comment down below. That's it. That's all I want in exchange for hopefully giving you guys a free tool that will just instantly elevate your e-commerce. So we know, all right, so I look at winning product stores every single day, right? You guys have been on the channel, you see it. And the one thing that I find common in most of these winning products, and I try and show that to you on the channel, the one thing that all winning product stores have in common is just really, really good product imagery. Stuff like this, like really natural, really good looking product images, all right? And this can be said of literally any of the stores that I'm tracking. Any store that I open that's doing really, really well, they're doing so because they have like amazing product images. And that is and always has been a problem for Shopify dropshippers, right? The reason it's been such a problem, I mean, just look at some of these images, right? This is such a great one. This is such a nice one. This is such a great one, right? Now, so the reason it's been a problem in all of these are all AI generated images, and I could never find out how these guys did it. Now, the thing that I always arrived at is they're using an AI tool that I don't have access to, or they're actually using for a pro editor, a Photoshop person, right? And that's what I do for my stores as well. The ones that I launch is I either use a graphic designer, or I do the painstaking task of actually sending these products out to influencers to generate images like this. Not until I went on this tool. I mean, this is some of the best product images I've seen. I've been using this tool for a little bit. And again, I'm going to show you exactly how. This tool, I think, is just starting out. Like, I used like an electric hairbrusher, and it generated a beautiful image like this for me, right? I used a this pendant. If you guys remember from the last video that we did, this pendant is actually a free plus shipping funnel, right? This one, we found out that there are people out there that are making, hold on, I actually am tracking the store now. So let's go to my track shop. If you guys remember this pendant, it is now doing 12. It's done. It's doing 5K a day, 4K a day, 4K a day, right? It's already, I started tracking this yesterday, I started tracking this yesterday. It's already done $12,000 in sales since yesterday. Okay. And it's selling all of these different products. But when we look at the ads of this product, right, they're running like beautiful looking video and image ads, right? Just hold on. If you look at the way that they show this particular pendant, it's absolutely beautiful, right? For us, this is very difficult to generate if we don't have a graphic design background. And these are the type of ads you're going to need to run to be able to position your store well, to be able to show off your product in the best possible light. And the biggest, most important part of why you need product images like this is to have that insane amount of credibility. Okay, so without further ado, let me show you exactly how to use this tool. Okay, I've linked it down below. So what you're gonna want to do is go to maker.ai. Okay, to be honest with you, this is something that actually just came into my life because of an ad that I got targeted with. Okay, so now this is Maker.ai, and it is in its beta version, which is why it's free, right? It's $49 per month, but the first 7 days are absolutely free, and they give you a lot in the 7-day trial. So just go ahead and sign up. You have to put in your credit card to get in, but that's a small price to pay. You can just very easily cancel, okay? Because even on their $49 per month plan, it's unlimited AI photo generations. Unlimited AI photo generations, okay? And 10 AI video animations per 24 hours. So it's still unlimited. You can just do 10 per 24 hours. I mean, you might not need another tool if you get this, to be honest with you. You might not need another tool, right? Because if it can give you all of the AI animations plus AI photo generations and it's unlimited, like you basically have unlimited ads. Like it's insane. Okay, so I signed up for it. Okay, once you sign up for it, all right, you're going to be taken to a dashboard like this. You're not going to have any of these images. Okay, now there's two things that you can do. You can either do a new product, generate a new product image, or you can try a fast generation. So essentially what you do over here is you need to go ahead and upload you need to upload 2 images and really clear ones, right, guys? This is something where you may need to put a little bit of effort in. It has to be like forward facing, and it has to be like really good, okay? Like a really clear, nice product image, and upload 2 different angles, one like this, maybe one like this, right? And then, okay, what happens is there's a 4-hour training process. So it will learn your product for 4 hours, okay? But that's not even the one that I used. When I was making this video, I don't have 4 hours, right, to wait for this thing. I wanted to show you guys something today. So I tried something called their fast generation. And I tried it with 2 products. So I tried it over here and I just described the image, okay? For the first one, I just put like, a young lady holding the brush, okay? I think that my exact prompt will be displayed here, but that's what I did. Young lady using the product to comb her hair. And look at this freaking image. This is an amazing image to just put on your Shopify store. Like, I promise you, I cannot tell that this was AI generated, okay? So then you get like a really good product like this, okay? Now, all right, then I was like, okay, I've been in jewelry for a really long time. I've dropshipped jewelry products, made 10K doing so, okay? This was always a problem whenever you're trying to dropship like jewelry, is models wearing it, okay? It always doesn't come out perfect. And then this is what I tried. So essentially what I did was, I'm actually going to show you step by step. I went to ChatGPT. I described I asked ChatGPT what, AI, if it knows what Maker.ai is and if it would be able to write prompts for this. Then I uploaded my product image on ChatGPT and I said, this is the product. I want you to write the prompt for this tool for me, okay? Look at what it did. All right, so I basically uploaded this image into Maker, okay? And then I typed in the product name and I described the product, okay? Look at how freaking amazing this product is, this image is, okay? In fact, out of these ones, the best one that I liked, that I thought was like right on the money, is this one and this one, okay? So basically, the prompt that ChatGPT came up with me for is essentially, and by the way, if you want like access to all of this chat history, I'll give it to you guys. Just comment down below, okay? So a free-spirited, naturally beautiful woman with long flowing hair wears a heart-shaped amethyst pendant necklace. Now the thing is, because we've trained AI on what the product is, it understands. Like, I've tried to do this, guys, I promise you, with a lot of different AI tools. All of them suck compared to what this has done. Like, I've tried at least 6 different ways, 3 different tools. Like, I bought like there's this one AI tool, Leonardo.ai, and it's probably one of the best ones out there for image creation. And I really tried hard to get this type of content over here. It just doesn't understand. Okay, but I think the guys that are developing this tool are doing it for e-commerce. Okay, so again, she stands on a lush green meadow at golden hour, the sun casting a soft glow on her skin, her serene experience, whatever. Like, really well described, and AI did it for me, so I didn't even really do this, okay? And look at the image. Guys, I'm sorry, but if I ran, and I may actually do this, I may just run an ad just like this. If you guys don't know this funnel, we did it in literally yesterday's video. This is a free plus shipping funnel. It's making 12 grand. It's already made 12 grand in the last 3 days, this particular business, using funnels just like this, okay? So it's gone ahead and it's made such a wonderful freaking image. Like it's stunning. It's stunning. And this passes my check. Like this is what I would put on the store. Okay. And now, all right. I was just like, oh, it does videos. Okay. So how does it do videos? Basically you click here. Okay. And then essentially what you're going to want to do is press this button called animate. When you press this button called animate, it'll ask you for another prompt. Okay. Basically it's like, how do you want us to animate this prompt? Okay. And then what I basically said was, I asked, well, ChatGPT, I was like, hey man, I want to animate this particular prompt. Can you go ahead and give me one? Again, guys, for this entire chat history, so you can do it exactly like me, just comment down below. Okay. And then this is the prompt it gave me. The camera slowly zooms in, gentle breeze, background suddenly blurs, soft dreamy glow. And then guys, I got this particular video, and it was generated for me for free. Like, I'm sorry, this is, look at the way that they did the necklace as well. Like they got the stones and everything perfect. I mean, if I ran this as an ad, like I would just be shocked. If I like, this is insane. So guys, no longer do you need to worry about how to generate store images for your particular products. They start you off with 10, okay? And with 10 really good ones, okay, you can basically populate your entire store. I'm actually going to do a video about how, like, look at this one, guys. Guys, I may have to get this tool. I may have to get this. I'm probably going to, just between us, I'm probably going to look at how well it got this particular product. And this is just their fast, guys. I haven't even used their normal, normal add a new product, right? So now that I have these images, guys, if you guys don't know, on shopfunnels.net, we go ahead and we build out ready to launch stores. Okay. I have this store that's ready to launch. Okay. I may have to do this one, guys. Again, it depends on time permits, but I have this ready to launch store here for this particular, it'll be a free plus shipping product, right? This is something I may have to do. Yeah, this is something I may have to do. All right, guys. That's all I had to share about this, guys. Insanely amazing AI tool. Go ahead and use it. Use it for your image generations, use it for your product generations. I'm going to be doing a lot of training on this particular AI tool as I dive deep into it. And I'm going to be showing you how we use image tools, how we use basically image generations like this and convert them into full-fledged ads. All right, we're going to be doing all of that, guys. Just make sure you like this video, comment down below for any other questions that you have about image AI generation. And if you guys want to work closely with me, use some of my templates, stay up to date with AI, just have some more mentorship, all that good stuff. It's that first link down below. With that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Appreciate each and every one of you. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.